How to get rid of little brown ladybugs. Little brown ladybugs, also known as Asian lady beetles, are a gardener's helper. These small insects, usually brown, yellow or light orange in color, eat other soft-bodied pests, according to the University of Connecticut Integrated Pest Management http://www.hort.uconn.edu/ipm/homegrown/htms/56lbug.htm. Unlike many other garden-dwelling insects, however, they don't die when cold weather arrives. Asian lady beetles look for warm places to hibernate, and, unfortunately, our homes are the perfect spot. Once you see one, you'll likely see many. There are several ways to remove these insects once they have invaded your space, although the bugs are harmless to humans. They will not feed on your home or possessions and they do not carry disease. Open your windows. Many of the Asian lady beetles may fly outside, according to the University of Connecticut Integrated Pest Management http://www.hort.uconn.edu/ipm/homegrown/htms/56lbug.htm. Suck the beetles up with a vacuum attachment. Seal the vacuum bag and remove it from your home as soon as you can. If you have a bagless vacuum cleaner, dump the canister contents into a plastic, sealable bag and dispose of it, outside of the home, as soon as possible. Sweep the beetles up with a broom and dustpan. Seal the beetles in a plastic bag and dispose of them or release them outside. Install ladybug traps near window and doors. These sticky strips will trap ladybugs upon entrance into your home, or on their way out to search for food. Spray insecticides near points of entry into your home. Also spray or dust in attics and crawl spaces, as this is where Asian ladybugs tend to congregate. Check the label on the insecticide for manufacturer approval for use with Asian lady beetles. Prevent the bugs from coming in at all. Cover all doors and windows with screens, as well as vents. Caulk any cracks into the home.